Marie. Oui, c'est John. Yes, baby. I know I don't see the kids over here, but, you know, I love my son. I love you too, baby. Since when you call for your kids? Since when you care for them like that? Oh, you think I'm stupid? You think I don't know that it's M contact season? You calling for some money? Papa, chien volé. Go get a job. I pray for you, okay, my brother? I know you don't hear from me long time, but, you know, I was working. My phone was cut off. I don't have enough cap to call you. S'il te plaît, voyez Social Security, T-John Bama, please. Kotote, Papa Kaka, where were you? Where were you? Where were you? When you leave me with the keys, now in contact's coming. Now you trying to get with me, I don't give a damn no more. It's my money. Mari, we have 3 kids together. Me and you, baby, when we get married, that means one get it. That means your kids is my kids. I don't give a damn, we're not together anymore. I put him in you, you push him, my money, baby. It's your money, you need it now. You think you JG wet weft. I think you got the wrong number, my bro. You call the wrong number, cause you don't got no kids. You don't got no wife, not Swilly, baby, me nothing. I don't give a damn no more, like Sweet Mickey. Yes, so are you gonna give me my son's social? Or are you gonna make me call the child support? What? What? Okay, damn, you leave me with 3 kids to take care of them by myself. You leave, you go with your hoochie mama. And you leave me, you don't give me no money. Now you calling me, asking me for money. Go find someone to squat your ass. Mazel fréquent, I'm fini à Mazel. I'm fini à Timounion, I'm fini à Mazel, I'm fini à... I don't give a damn no more. I don't give a damn about the kids. I don't give a damn about her. F her. Damn it. She calling me aggression for me. I'm finished with that damn girl. I don't give a shit anymore. Shoot.
Allô, oui, comment, yeah. Moi, t'es joint tout message, ou t'es quitté pour moi, yo. Moi, pas comprendre, pour qui ça, ou relais.
Bitch, I'm out here working. No time to be nervous. And these niggas still twerking. And these hoes still worthless. I'm ready to open curtains. Getting money, that's for certain. Still got goons lurking. Fuck them up on purpose. Watch out, little hoe. I'm just speaking what I know. Niggas be faking, they still comatose. Claim that you're real, but now you exposed.